Hey there, it's Donald here. A few weeks ago, I saw a post on one of the florist group on Facebook. They talk about one of the really popular style right now on Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram. All the social media is crazy about this style. It's like the wild garden style. But some of the people will leave a comment below and say they look messy, they don't understand, the flower choice is not very good. Be honest with you, the first time I saw this style and I don't understand at all. But as a professional designer working in a retail florist, we have to able to produce most of the style for your customer. Maybe some of the style is not your favorite style. I understand that. Everyone have their personal favorite style. But one of the things is we have to remember we are professional. We're able to produce the style what your customer needs. So this video I'm gonna use under 3.5 minutes. Hopefully make you have a better understanding this style. So let's do this.